Alright then, in this video I'm going to be showing you the progress of my account so far and the trades I took this week from Monday till Friday. I took just 4 trades. I took a trade from AUD and another one from NZUSD and a trade from GBP and GBP So I'll be walking you through the trades, and I'm also going to be showing you the chart analysis of those trades I take and the P&L for the trades. And I'm also going to be showing you the percentage I've made and the losses so far. So watch out. Let's head down to the screen. Alright then, coming to the charts. This was a trade I took last week. My first trade was on Monday. I took this trade on AUD. As you can see, I will be showing the before and after of this trade. This was a trade. It was around here when I saw the trade, so I had to mark out my support level and waited for price to give me a bullish candlestick formation, like engulfing candlestick, which is the candle I use for my confirmation. And then I also waited for or to see a rejection from my support level. That was just the criteria I wait for each time I get a strong zone, like a strong support zone or a resistance zone. So after seeing all of that, I entered the trade and aiming for 1:3. As you can see, I was risking 15 pips to get 46 pips. That's exactly 1:3, and boom, the trade went to my direction and I made this huge sum. I made 1:3. So coming to the next, which is on Tuesday. On Tuesday, I took a trade on NZUSD. That was the second trade of the week. Not this one. Okay, that was the second trade of the week. I wanted to take this trade from this resistance level. This was the first resistance level that I wanted to take my trade from, this very level here. But when price got to the level, after waiting for my confirmation, which is the bearish candlestick or engulfing bearish candlestick, I didn't get the confirmation. So I was pretty much skeptical about the resistance level, so I had to wait to see what price would do, and I waited. Price now broke above the resistance level, giving me no another opportunity than to wait for the next resistance level. So when I marked out this resistance level here and I saw that price got to the level and gave me a rejection and gave me something like a W pattern, that was when I knew the market was ready for me to enter. So I entered the market and I held this market till on Wednesday. On Wednesday, all this consolidation happened and I waited for the market. I was hoping to enter this market once again from here, but from my strategy, I wasn't that psychologically strong enough to enter the market because that was not my plan. So I'm not ready yet to start entering market, to start giving myself a re-entry. But from this market, I not actually made the full TP because the market actually took my time from Tuesday to Wednesday and it was very slow. So I had to like take out the profit from here, which is about 1:2.8. That is close to 1:3. So I took out my profit because I saw this bearish candlestick. Is it I saw this bearish candlestick that closed with a wick, so I wasn't confident enough to hold since the market has been, and I felt like it was already limiting me to take other trades, so I just left the market and took my profit. So heading to the next, that same Wednesday, I got a trade on GBP I got a trade on GBP. This is it here. GBP. This was the trade I got after seeing this break of structure here, and price created a new high, and I now waited for price to get back to my support level here. After price getting to my support level, as you can see, there was a bearish candlestick formation here. I entered the market from there. That was where I entered the market, but after some time, I think there was news and price broke broke my level and hit me out of the market, and next thing it taps into the next support level. I wasn't confident enough to take the next setup because I have just maximum of 2 trades in a day. So I left the market and boom, this happened. Market went to my direction, but so I lost 1 hour on that. So coming to the next, I saw a trade on Thursday. Um, this trade was on GBP USD. On GBP USD, I entered another trade, and this is it. So the same thing that happened to me on GBP JPY happened to me on GBP USD. When I marked out this level as my support level, price did what? Broke below the level after seeing all this movement, and it took very long time for these candles to print. As you can see, it took more than, let's say, from 10 on Thursday to to like 11 on Friday. All this was happening, so the market, I was very tired of the market, and next thing, after watching out, the news just invalidated my setup, and that was it for the week. So I lost 2 trade and won 2 trade. That is, I won like is around 6 hour for the winners, and I lost 2 hour for losers. That is 6 minus 2, that is 4. So I'm still good for the week. So coming on to my propfirm challenge, the account I traded this on. Coming to my FundedNext account, this is it. This is my dashboard. I'm still on the phase 1 actually. So this is the dashboard. Let's see the overview of the challenge account. So this is it. I made about $250. That is 1:5 point something, because my calculation on my lot size was not that correct, so the amount wasn't complete. So I made almost 1:5 point something. So when I encountered those losses on GBP JPY and GBP USD, but the lot size I used was not correct too, so I had to lose more than I expected. So I don't know, but this week I'm pretty sure that I will make sure I calculate all my risks before going into the market. So this is what is remaining on my profit. I have just $121 here, which is about 2.44% or anyway. So heading on to the goat funded, I trade 2 propfirm actually. So the goat funded, this is what I have on my goat funded. Mind you, during the period I was trading this account, I did not touch my goat funded because I didn't want to reach the 2 accounts at the same time. So this is it. I made profit of 254. That was intact because I didn't touch the account during those times I was taking GJ and GBP USD. So coming on to this week, what I'm pretty much sure to do is to correct that instinct of taking multiple trades. Like I've already made like 2.6. Already made like 6 hour for the week. That is 6% for the week. I wasn't supposed to take any trade again, in as much as I made the money within 2 days of trading. I was just supposed to like close off for the week since I've made as much as 6%. So that mistake, I wouldn't want to make that same mistake again. So I will be taking you guys on the journey so far. Each time I take a trade, I will be documenting it. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel and also click the like button to see more videos from my challenge account and see how I pass my challenge account. Thank you. This is A Life once again.